everyone. I'm Notgonnatell Onlaura, and thank you so much for watching. So if you just want to hang out, just keep watching. On my channel, I will be showing you a lot of Ipsy, because they pay my bills. I hope you like Ipsy, and I hope you go subscribe to Ipsy. They're only $10 a month. $10 a month. You get 5 deluxe sample-sized items every month for $10.
$10.
Also, my favorite color is blue, so if you don't like blue, please leave my channel right now. Okay. Cool. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to Ipsy. Use my link in my description box. Okay, cool. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and my name is Manty Mooch. And please remember, if you don't like me, if you don't like watching my channel, please don't fucking watch. No, I don't care. If you don't like me, please fucking watch. Please fucking watch. I really need the money. I don't care if you hate me. Just ignore what I just said. It's just my intro. So on my channel, I do a lot of giveaways. And the giveaways that I do, guess what? It is all of my PR, so I don't actually ever even pay for it. So everything that I do put in my giveaways is free anyway, so it don't cost me a dime. And also on my channel, you get to look forward to me mentioning every brand that there is because I need sponsors. Bad. Really bad. Sponsor me. Hi snakes, what's up? It's Nimjusta. Welcome back to my channel, and if you want to see the rest of this video, make sure you go down below and subscribe. Now, like right now. I'm serious. If you don't go down below and subscribe, please don't watch the rest of this video. Okay, let me get my cunt voice on. I do so much fun stuff on my channel. You will definitely be a subscriber, but I prefer you do it right now. I am going to have so many subs, but nobody's ever really going to watch me. I love to play weird games and go everywhere on my channel. So, have you subscribed yet? Hi, I'm Laira Leaks. Welcome to my channel. Now let's go ahead and sing our subscribe song. Subscribe to my channel to pay my bills. Subscribe! Yes! I am so glad y'all are right here on my channel, and hopefully y'all subscribed. Now y'all already know what you get to see on my channel. We will be playing with lots and lots of makeups. Hopefully I could get some sponsors. Now some of this makeup I hate. I really, really hate it, but y'all won't never know that. Because I'm just going to love everything because I'm desperate. My channel, I don't want my channel dying. You'll see me collab with all 3 of my best friends, which, well, hell, they was just here. Where'd everybody go? And I love all 3 of my friends dearly. But I don't think they like me at all.
God, I hate her.
What? Now, my channel is going to be a little bit squeaky. I cry sometimes, and sometimes I have to apologize about stuff, but y'all can get over that, right? I mean, I'm an Alabama girl. Now, don't forget to subscribe, and please don't go look at my Twitter. Stay away from my damn Twitter. Hey guys, if you are new to the channel, my name is Mandy, and welcome to the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. All joking aside, I know we like to have fun with these little skits and everything, but I want to talk to y'all on a more serious note, and I want to talk to y'all about Gabby's apology. Now that's an apology. I thought Gabby's apology just comes straight from his heart. There was no editing. There was no pauses. There was no excuses. I just felt every word he was saying, and I could not believe it. I could not believe one of them actually got on here and made an apology this well. The bad part about it is I think it's because he's the one that got hurt the most. Not success-wise, but like his feelings were hurt the most because of how his friends treated him. Now, if you have not seen Gabby's apology, I suggest you go watch it. I will link it down below. Done such an amazing job, and we really seen the real Gabby. We really see the truth come out. He gets on camera and he tells his truth. He tells exactly what happened that day. I mean, he tells you word for word that day what happened with the picture. He just done such an amazing job, and I couldn't be more prouder for one of these YouTubers for getting up and doing this. In Gabby's apology, now he paints Laira Leaks in a little bit better light. I feel so bad for her right now. Her channel is completely dying. You can go to her channel, you can refresh her page, and you can watch it drop by the hundreds. Now, Manny MUA's channel is starting to do that. I think most of the blame, I mean, all of them's to blame. Let's just get real. All of them's to blame. But Manny just seems to be the common denominator of all these arguments. Anytime there is a friendship that breaks up, anytime there's an argument or anything, Manny is usually the one at the bottom of it. Now, he does say in his apology video that he called Laira Leaks and he asked her what he should do, and she recommended that he take the tweet down where they was flipping Jeffree Star off. And that's exactly what he done. Another thing, guys, I want to mention this about Peter Mon. He is the YouTube psychic of the world. I couldn't believe it. I don't know if he's getting inside information or this man is really a psychic. He predicted Gabby would put up a video, an apology video, and tell the truth about everything that happened about that post. And literally 3 hours later, Gabby posted a video. I couldn't believe it. Do you think Peter Mon's psychic? Peter, can you tell me my future? Gabby also states on here that the PR team is the one that put their apologies together. We do find out that Manny is a liar. He's a damn liar. His apology really didn't hit on much about the post that went out. He was mainly apologizing to Dano for treating her like he did during that meetup, and I believe she deserved every right to get an apology for that, because the way that man treated her, the way he looked at her, that hurt my heart. I'm telling you guys, I have never been so ashamed and so, it's just cringy watching him look at her. And another thing that I felt like comes straight from Gabby's heart was at the end of the video, he is not asking you to subscribe to his channel. He is telling you if you need a break from him, if you want to come back in a month, a year, or whatever, and just come back to his channel and see if he's changed. I felt like that was the best line in that whole video. It was just so heartfelt, and you could tell he really meant it. And did his PR team put his apology together? Sure, probably. I mean, they probably gave him topics to hit on, but you could tell it kind of just flowed out. It just kind of poured out of his heart. So you could tell it was a very trustworthy apology. He also did take 100% blame. Guys, he did. He really did. He said he was the one that put the tweet out. He was the one that done this, and he's really taken up for his friends, and that's more than what I could say for Laira right now, because her friends have not took up for her. They're just sort of letting the girl drown. I mean, where is Nikita? Where is Manny to come and back her up? Because her channel is dying, and it looks like her friends would want to step in and do something about it. If you remember, Laura did write a tweet about Manny, defending him in this whole scenario. Why? Laura, just forget about Manny, honey. Move on. And his reasoning for this post was because he heard so much negative stuff that Jeffree has done to his friends that he kept hearing. They kept talking about it and talking about it, and it just sort of got to him, and he wanted to defend his friends. That's why he put that tweet out. And I understand that, because you know, when you got a best friend, or you got best friends or whatever, and somebody's doing something negative to them or speaking negatively about them or anything, you want to stand up for your friend. And I think that's why Gabby done that. I did want to get on here for a couple of minutes and just go over his video and tell you what I thought about it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I know this was a little fun video. I had fun dressing up like all of them. I mean, I really did. I got to admit it. I did. And I hope it didn't offend them. So, you know, we're just playing around here. We're just having fun. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you next video. Bye, guys. And I thought my apology was bad. Whoops. At least y'all forgot about what I did.